Good morning. Today we are going to learn the English lesson of ninth standard. This year we have 5 interesting units. Each unit is based on a particular theme. We have beautiful stories, poems, write ups, articles, etc. Okay? The title of the first unit is Aspire to Win. Do you know the meaning of the title? Aspire to win means deep desire to win. Okay? This unit consists of 3 chapters. The first one is a story named The Race, written by Nisha Punjabi. The second one is an autobiography named Learning the Game, written by Sachin Tendulkar. And the third one, Bang the Drum, is a poem written by Nelly Furtado and Bran Adams. In this unit, we notice a thematic connection that exists between these 3 writings. At the same time, they have their own subjectivity, independent and unique. All the literary pieces in this unit express how a good sportsman is being molded by perseverance, motivation, and self confidence. I hope that this unit will motivate the students to improve their health consciousness, to develop healthy lifestyle, and to generate sound mental health too. My dear students, please look at the first page of the text. There, you see a picture where 2 players are jumping together. Can you guess what are they playing? They are playing football. Okay. Now I invite you to answer the following questions based on this title picture. The first question is, do you think that the players belong to the same team? Of course not. Why? Because they are wearing 2 different kinds of jerseys. Therefore, we are assumed that they belong to different teams. Okay. Then the second question, can these 2 players alone bring success to their team? No, not at all. Team means a group of players. Especially in football, success is a teamwork. So, teamwork should be there. If they play together, they will succeed. Okay, then the third question, how can each member lead a team to victory? Each member of the team has his own role play. He has to play his level best, aiming the victory of his team. Then definitely he will be leading to his team to victory. And the last question, what are the qualities of a good sports person? What do you think the qualities of a good sportsman? First of all, he should aspire to win. He has to enjoy the sports. He should have a cooperative mentality. Then he should have sportsman spirit, hard work, regular exercise, etc. Okay? Do you know how much effort should be take to become great players? Now we enter into a good story, The Race, written by Nisha Punjabi. Have you heard about Nisha Punjabi? She is a freelance writer settled in Lucknow. She has written about 50 articles on several prominent people residing in Lucknow. In 2001, she won a prize in sports category in story competition conducted by Children's Book Trust. She was employed in Lucknow Times. Okay, now see the summary of the story. The main character of the story is Tarun. He is a mediocre student. His ambition is to become a fastest runner in the world. But his parents don't like it. They always blame him for his low grades and they boast of his elder son who was pursuing a degree in engineering from a reputed college. But Tarun is good athlete. To achieve his dream, he needed a trainer, but his family was not able to give money to a trainer. When Tarun failed in his examination, his father was very angry with him. His friends made fun of him, and to pent up his emotion, he ran all around the park. And after an hour, he was fully tired. There he met a man who became a turning point of his life. Now, students, you go through the first page of this chapter, The Race. All of you read silently. Finish reading, children? Now I am going to ask some questions. Let me see whether you have understood the first three paragraphs. The first question is, what did Tarun do to release his pent up emotions? What did Tarun do to release his pent up emotions? Okay. Then the second question, what was the only dream of Tarun? What was the only dream of Tarun? Third question, why did Tarun's friends make fun of him? Why did Tarun's friends make fun of him? And the last question, what were the obstacles before Tarun in pursuing his dream? What were the obstacles before Tarun in pursuing his dream? Okay, please answer the questions and write it in a paper and send to me by WhatsApp. See you tomorrow. Thank you.